Subscribers, I haven't been on here in forever, but today I'm coming to you with a video on how to do your very own like MacBook case or computer case. So this is a Chanel inspired. I haven't finished, like I haven't filled in the rhinestones yet, but I don't know, it's really pretty in person. So basically what you will need is to print out a picture of the Chanel logo. And you could just type in Chanel on the Google and it'll pop up, and you can use any type of Chanel logo you want to. And you'll need rhinestones. This bag of rhinestones literally cost me like 30 bucks. Rhinestones is getting so high, I don't know why, but yeah, 30 bucks for a bag of rhinestones. And I can list my supplier. She's really good. She stays in Atlanta, and like she'll work with you. Like, oh my god, I love her. Then you'll need E6000 glue. You could buy this at Joann's or Michael's or whatever craft store is closer to you. But make sure you wear a mask, because like I said before in my other videos, this stuff is really strong and it do say it can cause cancer. So we wouldn't want anybody getting that. And lastly, you will need a pick-me-up tool. I bought mine from Hobby Lobby. I don't use the side that you're supposed to, only because it wears down and you got to keep buying them. I use the opposite side, and I just put like a little glue and then start to pick the rhinestones up. This took me about 2 hours to do, I'll say. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And actually the customer ended up canceling the order, which is why I say get a deposit in advance so you're not stuck with unneeded products. But if you guys have any questions on how to do it, you can email me. My email is on my other videos, but I'll post it down below. What else? Oh, with this, you basically just tape it in the inside. And then just, it's like tracing over it, basically, with rhinestones. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek of what I've been working on lately. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a beautiful day.